Hey everyone, if your bank account keeps hitting zero before the month even starts, if you're tired of opening your banking app and feeling like you're walking into a crime scene, stop what you're doing. Because Finelo might just be the app that turns your financial mess into a plan that actually works. I stumbled across Finelo after reading a Reddit post titled "The App That Finally Made Me Stop Living Paycheck to Paycheck." Sounded dramatic, but the comments, full of real people saying Finelo helped them pay off debt, save for travel, and stop reckless spending cold. I had to try it, and honestly, I haven't looked back. From the moment you open the app, Finelo just feels different. It's sleek, it's fast, and it doesn't overload you with spreadsheets or financial jargon. You link your bank accounts and cards securely, and the app starts working its magic, instantly breaking down your expenses, tracking your categories, and showing you exactly where your money is bleeding out. No guesswork, no fluff, just raw, honest numbers served up with clean visuals and satisfying graphs that actually make budgeting enjoyable. It's almost like watching your finances go from chaos to calm right in front of your eyes. But it's not just about tracking. Finlo helps you take control. You can create savings goals, set daily, weekly, or monthly budgets, get spending alerts, and even see predictive forecasts of where you'll stand by the end of the month if you keep spending the way you are. It's smart, it's direct, it's exactly what most money apps promise to be but never actually deliver. And I'm not the only one saying that. Over on Trustpilot, Finlo's getting flooded with 5-star reviews. People call it a total game changer, the only budgeting app I've stuck with, and the reason I finally built my emergency fund. On Reddit, users say it's so simple it's genius, and the only app that didn't make me feel stupid about money. Now let's keep it real. Finlo's not perfect. Some features like advanced financial planning tools or custom export reports are locked behind their premium plan. But here's the thing, even the free version gives you everything you need to regain control over your spending habits right now. No excuses, no hidden fees, no ads, just pure focus on your finances. So if you've tried budgeting and failed, if you feel overwhelmed every time you check your bank, or if you simply want a money app that actually works, do yourself a favor, download Finelo today. Give it one honest week. Track your spending, set a goal, check the graphs. You'll start to feel different, like you're finally in charge of your money, not the other way around. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.